Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious cheesy carne asada noodles using buldakhabanerolime ramen.
So if you're ready, let's get started.
But before we get started, let me show you how easy it is to make this delicious buldakhabanerolime ramen. We're going to begin by bringing to a boil 1.5 cups of water. Once our water comes to a boil, we're going to add our ramen along with the flakes and allow it to cook for 5.5 minutes. After 5.5 minutes, we're going to add our bulldog sauce, stir well, and serve. Check out the new habanero lime flavor at Bulldog at your nearest H Mart, and make sure to check out the link in the description box to follow samyangbuldak Instagram page to learn more about their products.
Now these noodles are delicious on their own, but now let me show you how I like to spice it up even more. Okay guys, so here I already have my carne asada marinated. I use my original carne asada marinade. I will leave it in the description box, but of course you can always marinate it your way. So once we have that, now we are ready to begin cooking. Okay, I'm going to get my pan ready, add a little bit of oil, and allow it to heat up. Once hot, I'm going to place my meat. I'm going to be cooking my meat 3 minutes per side. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to flip the meat and allow that side to cook for another 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, I'm going to remove my carne asada. I'm going to cover it and allow it to rest. Meanwhile, we can get our noodles ready. I'm going to be using my same pan. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water and allow it to come to a boil.
Once the water comes to a boil, we're going to add our bulldog ramen.
And we're going to cook them until they're nice and soft. Okay, and while we wait for our noodles, we can get our carne asada ready. So we're just going to chop it into small pieces. Just make sure that you cut against the grain. Just like that. I'm just going to transfer it back to the plate and set it to the side until it's time to use it. Once our noodles are nice and soft, we're going to remove them from the water. And we're going to reserve 3 tablespoons of the water. Okay, so now we are ready to put it all together. I'm going to be using the same pan. Add a little bit of oil. Once hot, I'm going to be adding some green onion and chopped habanero pepper. I'm just going to saute it for a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to add our carne asada. Give it a minute.
After the minute, we're going to add our bulldog noodles along with the flakes and bulldog sauce and reserve the water.
And we're going to squeeze a little bit of lime juice. Okay, so mix it all together and allow all of the flavors to come together. Okay, so once everything is mixed, we're going to add Mexican cheese. Mix it all together. And just like that, we can get ready to serve.
Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I'm going to be garnishing with green onion, cilantro, slices of habanero, and to complement the zest in the noodles, a little more freshly squeezed lime juice. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy.
Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's honestly super easy and super delicious. So I am so ready. My noodles, super cheesy, and then of course the carne asada is there. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So cheesy, so flavorful. It's still a little spicy, but not so much. It's still full with extraordinary spice with big zest. Super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious cheesy carne asada noodles. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recommend the recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family.
And once again, don't forget to go to your nearest H Mart to get your bulldakhabanero lime ramen.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.